Good morning, Michael Feller here for Business Spectator Deals TV. It's Friday the 18th of September, a lovely day in Melbourne and 33 degrees we believe in Sydney. Bikini weather is upon us. And further to the north, where Linc Energy in Queensland has said that it's almost ready to sell its coal projects. Shareholders can be forgiven to be a little bored by that statement. They've heard it all before with Zinwen Mining and Yanjiao Coal both pulling out of agreements to buy Linc's emerald coal assets in the Australian state. But this one is believed to be near completion, and no companies have been mentioned, but speculation has risen and it could be BHP or Peabody Energy in the United States. It's also been bandied about in the press that a number of Chinese or Indian companies could also be interested in Linc's assets there. Also in the energy space, Mosaic Oil, we've received an email from a reader saying that Bow Energy could realistically purchase the company. Mosaic Oil shares went up 3.7%, not a huge amount yesterday, but volumes were significantly higher. It's got a underground gas storage project where it expects to announce a joint venture partner soon. Moving along now, Xstrata, where they're on track, they say, on their Southeast Asia's largest copper development project. Tampakan in its copper gold project in the Philippines. Elsewhere, Allied Gold has made a bid for Australian Solomons Gold, listed in Canada. Presumably that's why they feel the need to put Australian in the company name. And now on to Fairfax. There's been a boardroom stoush between John B. Fairfax and Ron Walker, the current chairman. Boardroom stoushes, unless they're media companies, are generally not worth reporting on, but journalists love talking about their own industry. But more to the point, it's interesting because it could provide an avenue for Kerry Stokes to come through. That rumour was interestingly reported in a Fairfax publication, The Financial Review. Also in news, Twitter has been effectively valued at $1 billion US, according to the American website TechCrunch. They're raising capital at the moment, and KKR is the private equity firm is interestingly looking at putting in $400 million US into Eastman Kodak. Nobody really knows why. Anyway, that's all we've got time for. I'll see you next week.